car, aeroplane, and ship. There's a different thing. This is called transport. Bike is also transport. Okay, I'll show you how to make it.
Sir?
Yes. And I'll show you how to make it.
Something is wrong with my car.
Sorry?
Something is wrong with my car.
What happened with your car?
When my father off the car, na?
Yeah.
Then when Baba moved the steering wheel, the wheel still turned.
And now you can just buy your car or you can walk. Okay.
I'll just go with walk.
Okay, I'll show you how to make a car today. First you will make like this, like a cylinder shape. Do you understand? Can you make it? This is not a difficult. I'm sure you can make it. And first you will make cylinder shape and then you can press it from the both sides like this. Look. Like this. Look. This is car and then you can put the tires.
The wheels, I know wheels.
Like this. Understand? Then you can put the tires. This is my car. And after me you will make. And you know there's a different kind of the transport. Aeroplane, ship,
I only know
and motorbike.
I can only know how to make car and also motorbike.
Okay. And after this you will make aeroplane. And aeroplane is a air transport.
Air transport.
Aeroplane is a air transport. Look at this. You can make like this. This is an aeroplane.
Yeah, but it looks like
This is tail and then you can put the wings. This is air transport.
air transport.
This is air transport. Look at this. This is aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
And after me you will try and you will make an aeroplane. Understand? And one is the water transport. Water transport is the ship. Ship is the water transport. Look at this. Look at this. This is water transport. And then you can put the like this. Look at this. This is my ship.
My ship.
I'll give you a clay and now you can try. You can make it yourself. You can make three kind of transport. There's the water transport, air transport, and road transport. There's the three type of the transport.
What about
what?
What about building transport?
And now I'll give you a clay.
What about building transport?
Okay, now I'll give you a clay. You can try. You can make it yourself. Come start your work. Start your
Thank you,
work.
sir.
Okay, welcome. And please come forward and do your work on the mat. Don't drop it on the other mat. You can do your work on the green mat. Hold it. Come forward. Come
I know
forward.
green mat, not blue mat.
Hold it. Okay. Start your work. Start your work. And you make an aeroplane, ship, and car. Okay, welcome and start your work. And everyone has got clay?
Yeah.
Okay. If you have no clay, then raise your hand. Start your work. First only make your cylinder shape. Roll it. You can just put it down. Keep it under your palm. This is your palm. Look at this. This is your palm. And then you can roll it like this. You can roll it like this. First you can make a cylinder shape.
Teacher said like this.
No, try to make a bigger one. This is a very small. You have made very small. Try to make this big. Very good. Very good.
Then I make it.
Okay. And then you can just press it with your thumb.
Yes, but then plus
Yes.
this cylinder shape बनाना
नहीं आता. Okay, no problem. I can help you. I'll show you how to make it. No problem. I'll show you. Look at this. I'll show you how to make it. Look at this. Take a small piece of clay and you can roll it like this. Look at this. And then you can press it from the both sides. From the both sides. ऐसे press करो finger से. Press it from the both sides. Press with your thumb. Press with your thumb. Again, I'll show you. Yes. अभी इसको ऐसे किया. अभी इसको प्रेस करो दोनों साइड से. Very good. Did you make?
Yes.
Okay, put the tires. Tires. If you have done, then you can put the tires on both sides.
Sir, I make it a little bit too long.
What about his tail? इसकी tail भी तो बनाओ. जहाज के पीछे दुम भी बनाई है ना मैंने. देखो देखो look at this. Yes. Look at this. Now you can put the tires. Put the tires. Very good. And then you can make another side. Understand? Hold it. And put it down. Make an aeroplane. Make an aeroplane. Come on. Oh, very good. Very good. Look, this boy has made a very small, tiny car. This boy is. What's your name? Oh, this is girl. What's your name? Aisha. Anya. Anya has made car. Look. Very nice. Very nice. And now you can try to make an aeroplane. Very small, very tiny she has made. Nice car. Very good. Anyone else who has made? इसके टायर बनाओ, इसके टायर बनाओ, इसके टायर बनाओ छोटे. Now you can make his tires. Understand?
Sir.
Very good. Look. Hashim, what's your name? Hashim.
Ibrahim Hashim.
Yes, Ibrahim Hashim has made very nice small aeroplane. Very good. Good. Very good. Very good.
What we have to make next?
Next, you can make a ship. You can make a ship.
But after that, I'll make a tractor.
Okay, you can make it. If you want, you can make a tractor.